So this is going to be a review of the Wuudi Cookset. It's a camping cookset, and on Amazon that's what it says, is that it's a cookset, but realistically it's just a pot and a cup, but it's great for camping. So this is what it comes in. It comes in this little mesh fabric here, and then the top is just this cup or bowl that acts as a lid, and then the bottom is the actual pot. So let me try and get that out of here. So I guess this would be a disadvantage. It's kind of can be a little tricky to get this thing off, but it's not that bad, but it is tight. And so each has its own two handles that fold nicely against the pot when it's stored, but then they come out and they make it real easy to not burn your fingers, basically. So not very adventurous here, but I'm going to cook up some ramen noodles, and I'm going to use the Esbit solid fuel stove to cook them up, and we'll see how well this cookset works. See if I burn myself. You can see that I've already tried it out, but we'll see how it works. So there's the ramen. I got it in there with about 12 ounces of water, and it's on the Esbit stove, which I've got lit. So I'm going to take this, put it on top to be a little lid, and we're off to the races. Okay, so it's been a little while, maybe about 5 minutes. Got our stove still going there, and oh wow, the ramen's really boiling well. But yeah, it's really easy to handle everything, and it looks like the pot's holding up. The bottom, it's got a little char on it, but that's just from the stove. So overall, yeah, this is a great little pot. Easy to cook in. It's very light. This one's made of aluminum, and so some other options for pots probably that would run a little bit more money are some titanium ones. They're probably going to be a little bit more durable, although I don't foresee having a problem with this. It seems to be very well made and very sturdy. Just feeling it, it feels like it's very sturdy. But then you could probably go cheaper as well if you get one of your small coffee cans and you just use that as a stove, the ones that aren't coated in plastic. So there are cheaper options and there are more expensive options, but this was about 15 bucks on Amazon, so pretty solid choice. Again, being aluminum, it's really light, and it's also really inexpensive. Plus you have this that you can use as a cup. If you boil a whole pot of water to make an instant meal, you can pour some of it in the cup and use that to drink, like make a coffee or tea, and then you can use the rest to make your dehydrated meal. So yeah, overall it's a really small and compact thing when you put it all down. And if you're backpacking or camping, you can always, if you have a stove like this, you can always put the stove inside of the pot or store some other things inside of the pot, and then it'll be really compact and save on space. So overall, I'm really happy with it. For 15 bucks, it's pretty good. If I need something else, I can always go get something else, because it's not like I broke the bank on it. So yep, gets a big thumbs up from me. See you in the next one.